Hey, Plant Pals, Mike here, the gardener, and this is just a very quick update on after the power outage issue I had over here and everything was dying along with the cold snap. I am redoing my AeroGarden. The 3-year-old Fresno gave up the ghost, but I've got its little baby cousin here and a little baby cousin here. I threw this parsley in here because it was in one of the other units that was without power for a couple of days, but it was thriving, so I figured might as well save it. I'm not going to keep it in here. I'm going to actually take everything out of this unit, clean it out. You know, you see all the buildup of schmutz that I'm going to clean out. And I'm going to clean the pump of the old roots, make sure everything's clean, sanitized, make sure there's no more spider mites hiding anywhere, make sure there's no fungus gnats hiding anywhere so that the new plants can have a chance to thrive and grow. And if you see the movement here, it's because I have a little USB fan, as you can see back there, little USB fan that's constantly going on here, and the gnats and the spider mites don't like it. So that hopefully will also help. And the dead system that I rescued, it survived the power outage just fine. These are the the bonsai cherry tomatoes. It's got tomatoes everywhere. And as you can see right here, I've got a red one to harvest. Grab that. Yeah, it's hard to do one-handed. There we go. Very tasty. It's one of the most delicious cherry tomatoes I've tasted. And this silly thing here is the basil. It also was unaffected by the cold and the power outage. There's another basil. I stuffed another parsley back in here. And in the past, I would have just left everything as is and just let things be a chaotic mess. But I'm going to grab these Fresnos here that are thriving and doing great. And I'm going to take and put them here. So I'll have 3 small Fresno plants. And I'll probably go down to just one. I'm going to put one in this corner. I'm going to put one in this corner, one in this corner, and one in the back. And, like I said in the past, this is a 6-pod unit. Don't ever overcrowd your unit because you won't be happy. I'm going to take the parsley out. I'm going to put the parsley over here so it can have a party with the basil. And I'm keeping on growing. This thing still wants to thrive and grow and produce fruit, so I will allow it to. But once it gives up the ghost, I will probably just completely get rid of this unit because, like I've said in the past, it's not really doing anything other than just being a water reservoir. It's shallow and but the plants seem to be fine in it. But I have another unit that I can put in its place, a brand new unit, and that's what I'll eventually do. But why waste electricity and a motor and everything on a new unit when this one's working just fine? And look at how nice that basil is. I'm gonna definitely cut some. My wife wants some more pasta sauce for a special event coming up, and so that's what I will do. I will make her pasta sauce using this fresh, delicious basil. All right. That's a quick update. Like I said, I'm not going to let the tragedy hold me back and stop me from growing and having fun and being my normal chaotic self. But I definitely have learned lessons over the years, and definitely going to kind of clean up my cactus a little bit. In the sense, I will definitely be cleaning up this unit and making sure the plants are happy and healthy and not overcrowded. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.